I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sketch Naruto. Let's begin by laying down the foundational shapes for his head and body. Think of the head as a circle with a jawline, and the torso as simple rectangles. Use very light pencil strokes for these initial guides. Establishing the correct proportions early on is crucial for a balanced drawing. Pay close attention to the head structure, adding cross-section lines to help place the facial features accurately later. Now let's bring Naruto's face to life. His eyes are quite unique, so observe their shape and placement carefully. Sketch his nose and mouth, capturing his characteristic expression. Next, tackle his iconic spiky hair. Remember to give it volume and show the direction of each spike. Finally, draw his Konoha headband, making sure it contours naturally around his forehead, adding that essential ninja touch to your sketch. Moving on to Naruto's outfit, begin by sketching his jacket. Pay attention to how the fabric folds and creases, especially around the shoulders and arms, to give it a sense of realism. Don't forget the Uzumaki clan emblem on the back or sleeve. Then, draw his pants and the ninja pouch, showing how they might move with his body. Lastly, refine the hands and feet, ensuring they reflect the dynamic pose you've chosen for your Naruto sketch. For the final touches, carefully ink your sketch. Use a fine liner for crisp edges and vary your line weights. Thicker lines can indicate shadows or closer objects, adding depth. Once the ink is dry, erase your pencil lines. Then, apply basic shading to define the forms and give your drawing dimension. Think about where light would hit and where shadows would fall. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to stay hydrated while you're drawing, check out the Owala water bottle link in the description, along with other awesome deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.